do not be scared to retire. Do not stress, because your golden years is what you should be celebrating when it's time for you to stop work and not still be in that stress mode for money, because you have been working all your life, and you've been stressing about money and stressing about not having that care that you deserve. So when you're retiring, you should have peace of mind. So if you want to have peace of mind, have this proper medical care, have the proper attention, live your life, give your children and grandchildren what your heart desire, you can run your own business, your own automated business from your home, and be successful by following a step-by-step guide and attend all the training that is being given to you in the Legacy Builder program. If you want to start to earn your own, stop being a burden to others, give your children what their hearts desire and what your grandchildren's heart desire, and can still go travel with them around the world, you can achieve that by having your own online business and earn the money that you deserve. So if you are ready to start, if you are ready to create memories with your loved ones, if you are ready to stop work and stop stress and retire gracefully, leave a yes in the comment and I will send you all necessary information.